Ladies and gentlemen, can I first of all bid you a warm welcome. Leighton-Linslade's 2014 Christmas Festival starts tonight. Together with our event partner LB First, the Town Council invites you to enjoy the evening, to browse the stores and to return tomorrow to continue both your Christmas and your everyday shopping. We do hope that you're looking forward to the weekend's activities just as much as we are. As a council, we're rightly proud of our town, and we take every opportunity to celebrate this, our high street, its traders and its market. On your behalf, can I thank our council staff team and the LB First volunteers for all their hard work in organising the event.
Who shops locally and who still uses our high street market for his fresh fruit and veg, Mr. Frank Bruno!
Hello Leighton Buzzard, you okay? Are you looking forward to the light switch on? Wicked. I'm privileged to be here tonight, and I've been living in Leighton Buzzard for about 15 years, but I didn't know this happened, but I'm honoured and privileged to be here to turn on the lights. So if you can just rock along with me, we've got to do 10, 9, 8, I don't know what comes after 8, I think it's 6, but if you can just rock along with me, I'd be grateful. And I hope you all have a beautiful Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Thank you for coming out tonight. Do it from 10, yeah? 10.